How to create a shared folder on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to set up a folder that others on your network can access quickly and easily. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. Let me show you. After that, navigate to the location where you want to create the shared folder. From there, right-click on an empty area and click on New, and then click on Folder to create a new folder. At this point, give the folder a name and press Enter to confirm. In the next step, right-click on the newly created folder and click on Properties to open its settings. From there, click on the Sharing tab at the top of the Properties window. At this stage, click on Share to open the network sharing options. Let me show you. Following this, type in the name of the person or group you want to share the folder with, or type Everyone to allow all users on your network to access it. Once done, click on Add to add them to the sharing list. From there, set the permission level for each user. Read allows them to view files, while Read and Write allows them to edit and add files as well. At this stage, click on Share to confirm and apply the sharing settings. Let me show you the next step. Following this, click on Done to close the sharing dialog. Your folder is now shared on the network. From here, to make sure network sharing is enabled on your PC, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. At this point, click on Network and Internet and then click on Advanced Network Settings. From there, click on Advanced Sharing Settings and make sure Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing are both turned on. Here's an important note. Only devices connected to the same network will be able to access your shared folder. If you want to share files over the internet, consider using a cloud storage service like Google Drive or OneDrive instead. Finally, to access the shared folder from another device on the same network, open File Explorer on that device and look for your PC name under Network in the left side panel. Click on it to browse the shared folder. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a shared folder on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.